This video showcases the Ketchen's automated rotary flame brazing system designed for a 4-port copper refrigerant distributor. The system uses 4 synchronized flame torches to preheat all joints at the same time, ensuring uniform temperature across every brazing point. Next, 4 wire feeding guns automatically deliver the alloy brazing wire with controlled speed and stable positioning. Continuous heating allows the filler metal to melt, flow, and penetrate deeply into each joint, achieving strong, leak-free connections. At the end of the video, you can clearly see the cooled brazed joints, smooth, full, and visually consistent. Precise temperature management ensures 100% penetration and repeatable quality across every production cycle. This type of automated brazing system is ideal for high-volume manufacturing of HVAC copper components, heat exchangers, refrigeration assemblies, fluid distributors, and other multi-port copper fittings. Viewers interested in automation-based brazing solutions are welcome to visit our website and get in touch for more details.